In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Slides with clickable links. This is a straightforward process that will make navigating through your presentation a breeze, perfect for when you have multiple sections and you want your audience to access each topic effortlessly. First, let's venture into Google Slides to get things rolling. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This will allow you to access all your saved presentations and create new ones with ease. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, the next step is to start a new presentation. You can do this by clicking on blank to open a fresh slide deck. Alternatively, if you already have a template or an existing theme you'd like to work with, select that from the options available to you. Now that we have our slide deck open, one of the first things we want to do is add a new slide for our table of contents. Typically, it's beneficial to have your table of contents at the beginning of your slide deck, so your viewers can easily see what the presentation will cover at a glance. Once you've added the new slide, head over to the slide you've just created and add a title. Let's label this slide Table of Contents so it's clear to everyone what this page is about. Next, you'll want to list out the sections or topics that your presentation will cover. You can do this in a bullet point format, but really any format that aligns with your presentation style will work perfectly fine. Be sure to use distinct and descriptive headings for each section to ensure clarity for your audience. With your list in place, we've reached the exciting part, turning those headings into clickable links. This will allow viewers to jump directly to specific sections with a simple click. To start adding links, highlight the section title or bullet point you want to link. At the top of the menu, you'll find the Insert option. Click on it and then select Link from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will pop up. Here you have the choice to link directly to specific slides in your presentation. Just select the slide number you want that title to jump to from the options provided, then hit Apply and your link will be ready to go. Repeat this process for each section title or topic you have on your table of contents, ensuring that each one links to the correct slide. With all your links in place, your clickable table of contents is complete. Now, when you or anyone else views the presentation, navigating through it will be seamless and efficient. Your audience can simply click on a section to dive deep into that particular topic, and there you have it. That's how you create a clickable table of contents in Google Slides, making your presentation more interactive and user-friendly.